Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we comparing apples to apples, Provia Endure and Okna 600 series or Eco Pro. So let's go ahead and dive into that. Okay, first thing we're gonna look at, that's convenience, how convenient these windows are. So let's start with Okna 600 series Eco Pro. Here, let's see how easy it is to operate the window. So obviously we unlock the window, and in here we have double hung window, so both sashes you can open. In with Provia Endure window, so we just unlock it and it's a double hung window. So see right now, let's say if you'd like to clean the windows yourself instead of paying somebody and hiring it, let's see how easy it is to tilt these both sashes in. So with Okna, again, we just squeeze this two locks right this, pretty much easy, piece of cake. Same thing with the top sash. It's nice and easy to tilt it in for easy cleaning. And with Provia, actually, it's actually nice and easy as well. We just squeeze this locks in. Here we go. And same thing. It's nice and easy, piece of cake. So basically, we are giving points to Provia Endure 1 and to Okna Eco Pro 600 series 1. They are both nice and easy to operate, to clean. And another nice feature that these both windows have, that's called a night latches or vent latches, depends, you know, which company is that. But anyway, Okna has it, so you can ventilate like a few inches at the bottom, or you can do the same at the top. Same thing with Provia, actually they do use even the same type, the same manufacturer of the night latches. You can do just the bottom piece, or you can do the top sash as well. You just move the screen to the top. So that's, here we go, it's a nice feature, and both windows have it. Because guess what, like some of the flagships of the window industry, they don't have this nice feature, you know, like Anderson, Marvin, they don't give you this option in their flagship product. So anyway, convenience once again, both for Provia Endure and 1 point for Okna Eco Pro 600 series. Okay, as you can see, these both windows pretty much convenient to operate, to maintain, to clean. You can do it even yourself. So, but another very important thing is interior design, because you buy these windows, you want to enjoy how they look, like the locks, the frame, so everything. So let's go ahead and make research of that one, so to say. So let's start again with Okna 600 Eco Pro, and with this window right away you can see that the design is pretty much unique. It has like at the top this little handle, custom, pretty much unique handle, and it matches the colors of the locks, and there are like a few more colors for the locks as well, so it's kind of nice accents, nice hardware relationship. At the bottom we have all the way through leaf trail, and we have balanced colors on both sides, so that's pretty much standard on all Okna windows, which is nice. No spiderweb, no dirt is going to be able to get inside the frame. So so yeah, pretty much nice beautiful design. And let's have a look at Provia Endure window as well. So right here, so we have at the bottom all the way through leaf trail, and at the top all the way through leaf trail, fusion welded into the frame of the sashes. Then we have this beautiful locks, low recessed locks, so basically you cannot see these locks from the outside. Provia Endure has balanced covers as well on both sides, so this way no spiderweb or anything like that gets inside the channel. So anyway, all in all, the first impressions for the interior design, pretty much nice. So we're gonna give 1 point for Provia Endure and 1 for Okna 600 series. And when you look, you can see, I think the camera picks up how wide the frame of the windows is. So it means that that's a pure vinyl, not a recycled one. So it's a high quality premium material, and it has premium feel and premium touch to it. We're gonna check how much glass real estate we're gonna get on both windows, because that's pretty much extremely important. You have big windows, you wanna make sure that you have them after installation of your new windows. So here we go. As usual, we're gonna check the frame and the sash combined thickness. So right here we have 2 3/4 for Okna 600 series. So basically, not the thinnest one, but not the extremely thick as well. So with Provia Endure, it's 3¼ of an inch. So the frame, unfortunately, and the sash combined for Provia Endure is by ½ an inch wider, like up to here, than Okna 600 series. So in this case, Okna gains 1 point, Provia Endure loses 1 point. When we look at the top, we have all the way through that sash travels up to here and stops about 1 inch from that handle. With Provia, we have this sash stops. So basically they are about like 4 inches or 3 inches. Yeah, 4 inches long. They prevent from hitting that lift rail. But at the same time, when you have the window locked, they are pretty much exposed to the eyes as like a parrot on the pirate's shoulder, you know, doesn't look good. Even though you're gonna have probably blinds here, so you're not gonna be able to see that much of the stops. But at the same time, what if you don't have the blinds? Maybe that's like a living room or kitchen or any other place where you have open windows so you can enjoy the beautiful look of the interior of the window. So anyway, another downside for Provia on the interior design, actually 0. And for Okna 1 point, because that's more pretty much simple, but at the same time elegant design. Let's get back to the convenience. I miss somehow this beautiful system. It's called Provia Endure have it. It's called lock and tilt system. So as you can see, you just have 2 locks without the side locks, like with Okna. So basically, if you want to tilt it in, you just squeeze these locks to the opposite side and you tilt in the bottom sash. With Okna, at this time, this type of the system is not available. So if you want to tilt it in, you have to use these sash locks. So it's pretty much nice feature because it makes the sash look cleaner and it's convenient as well to tilt it in. So let's add 1 point actually convenience wise to Provia Endure and 0 for Okna. Okay, so now we're gonna look to the exterior design of these both windows, because that's maybe even more important. The exterior design is always exposed to the eyes, to your eyes, to your friends, family, enemies, anybody, because, you know, with the interior design, at least you can lower your blinds. If you got somehow pretty much bad designed window, just lower the blinds and nobody can tell. With the exterior design, that's where the whole world is gonna see it, especially if you keep the house, if you sell the house, same thing, you know, you gotta get a good design. So anyway, Okna 600 Eco Pro has this beautiful beveled exterior. It looks kind of like reminiscent of the wood windows, but made of pure vinyl, and that's milky smooth, glossy vinyl frame, which looks nice and looks more modern. With Provia Endure, we have here like a channel sticking up about like one inch to the outside, which is pretty much traditional. Most vinyl windows, they do come like with a square channel, but I would say, my personal opinion, this design with Okna, it looks more cleaner and more premium than, you know, the standard one. But post in the comments below what you think about it. I might be wrong, might be right, I don't know. But anyway, it's pretty much subjective decision, so I give 0 to Provia and 1.1 to Okna. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to have a nice design window, it's definitely nice, but to have it energy efficient as well, it's even better. So let's have a look at performance of these both windows, Provia and Okna, and see who's gonna win. Okay, so since we have both windows still on the exterior, so let's dive and look at the most important feature performance-wise. I would say it's a water management. Do these windows have the whip holes that you have to clean like after, you know, like few years, because the whip holes get nasty with dirt, spiderweb, all kind of stuff, especially if you have a busy road. So with Okna, We don't have the whip hose, it's a sloped seal, about 10 degrees, all the water flows away, and in here we have like two cutouts at the bottom. The water never gets inside the frame, it just goes away from the house. With Provia Endure, same thing, there is no whip holes, two cutouts right here under the screen, in the screen channel, so the slope seal, the water flows away and never gets inside the frame. So it's thumbs up, both windows, they did a great job, you know, so we are giving 1 point to each of them. And when we look at the bottom sash of both windows in here, it has like painted into red that we have this little leg, like a lip, that when you close the sash, that lip goes inside the sash. So what it does, it prevents even the smallest bugs getting inside the house. Provia has it, the same one. Slightly smaller one, I wish they extend it all the way through. It gives more robustness to the bottom section of the sash as well. So in this case, both windows, I would say they did a great job with these little things, these reinforcements. So we can give 1 point to each window. Okay, so another extremely important thing in performance, that's energy efficiency. Once you install this Windows or any other Windows, I want to make sure that you're gonna dump those wool socks and wool sweater and you never go and get it one again, because you're gonna have nice energy efficient windows. So let's have a look at Okna 600 Eco Pro window and look at that. It's triple layer weather stripping on both sashes, the top and the bottom. At the top one we have pretty much thick and generous amount of the weather stripping, as well as right here we have the air bulb. So yep, that's an energy efficient window. When we look at Provia Endure window, same thing, they did a great job. It's a triple weather stripping, pretty much nice and thick. Right here we have another two little tabs that prevent even the smallest air leaks. In here we have like interlocking system that interlocks with the top sash. Right here we have an air bulb. Yeah, so no, I would say that both windows did a great job. The designers did a great job to save you money, because you know, you install Windows, you spend so much money, you invest into your house, into your windows, you wanna make sure that you're gonna get dividends. And with the windows, it's possible if you do the right one. So anyway, both windows, thumbs up, they earn 1 point. Okay, so now let's calculate the total. So convenience wise, both windows, so we got here 3 points. Okna has got 2 points. Interior design, Okna has 3. Provia has got 1. Exterior design, same thing, 1 and 0. And performance wise, we have 3 points and 3 points. So what's the total? 2, 5, 6, 9. Okna gets 9 points total, and Provia Endure, let's see, 3, 4, 7. So here we go. So you know, Provia Endure is more convenient window. You can tell interior design, Okna design looks like it's more modern design, and exterior design, same thing, goes to Okna. But performance-wise, you know, like energy efficiency and maintenance, water management, pretty much similar systems, similar designs. And which window you should choose? I mean, both of them are good windows. But in case of Provia Endure, if you have small windows in your house, I would definitely suggest to go with Okna 600 series, because that gives you more glass real estate. Energy efficiency-wise, it's both of them, they have high ratings. It's going to be more quiet in the house, and you're going to get some nice energy savings. And I mean, design-wise, again, my personal opinion, Okna has a better design, slightly better than Provia Endure. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.